So we're here today to introduce you to the Ruby skirt. And the Ruby skirt is our brand new pattern, and we'll tell you a little bit later about how you can get hold of it, but I'm just going to talk through the features a little bit more. So the Ruby skirt we designed because we wanted a skirt that could sort of be made by anyone in almost any fabric, and that's what we've come up with. So she's got a waistband on there, elasticated back for comfort and for fitting.
There it is.
I feel like an air stewardess. I'm going to
I know, do you?
I'm going to point as you say. Yeah, I'll point.
And then lovely patch pockets, really comfortable and useful, and then buttons down the front. And you can make Ruby in so many different fabrics. So here we've got, I think yours is viscose as well. Yeah.
Is mine viscose?
Is it
or
viscose?
crepe? Viscose crepe?
Viscose crepe, we'll go with. Mine's definitely a viscose.
And
then
mine is surprisingly a twill, a cotton twill.
Oh no, it looks so
stretch
nice.
cotton. No, it's a twill.
It's a twill. It's quite a light one, so
Yeah.
I could see that there was enough movement. But yeah, I wanted to show off the really kind of...
It shows the shape really well.
Exactly.
Yes, it does,
And
yeah.
so you can see the details.
Yeah, I think that's always important to think about actually, because when you make something in a floppy fabric like Rosie and Az, you're always going to lose shape.
Yeah,
just go straighter. So if you like that look, then use a floppy fabric. But if you want a bit more of that like shape,
The volume,
A-line,
I really like
cotton is best.
the structure sometimes.
Yeah.
So it's good, but I will, don't get me wrong, I will make a floaty
I know,
one for
because I like
summer
the
especially.
floatiness of these.
The
Yeah.
fishiness is great.
Yeah.
And also, I have to say that both of these will look amazing in the summer, but they look great with tights and with your true styling as well. It's very good.
Are we going to talk about styling yet or not?
Yeah, we can.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
good. Let's dive into the styling.
Okay, so Rosie's got it on with an Edie top, so really nice with a fitted jersey top, and lift legs up. We've all got them on with ankle boots, and that's so wearable, and tights. You've got the Roxy on,
Roxy,
which is really nice, and
I matched the
Oh, you're
Roxy
so
colour to
nice.
my buttons. So
I didn't
notice
that. Of course
very
you did.
intentional.
Of course you did. I am not in a ready to wear, but this is a Heat Tech from
is it?
Uniqlo.
So
So it's
warm.
really warm but
dressy.
thin, but dressy. So it's really
Yeah.
nice. And I think that I've already thought about how I'm going to wear this with a t-shirt and trainers in the summer.
Yeah.
It's just like this skirt is not gonna. I have a changeover in my wardrobe. This is not moving.
Not moving, no.
Staying all the time.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, so you can make it all year round. You
Yeah.
can choose pretty much any woven fabric.
Yeah.
As long as they're not too thick.
And you don't need masses of fabric, so that's
No,
good.
that's true as well.
You don't need masses of skill.
No, this pattern is confident beginner.
Yeah.
I'd say if you're an absolute beginner, but
Give it
you're
a go.
feeling confident.
Yeah, exactly.
then
I would say you
Also,
can.
I just wanted
Yeah.
to say what I would do because
Yes.
I hate buttonholes.
I thought of this as well.
I would just do buttonholes on the top three,
That's
and then I'd
exactly
do fake buttons, just stitch them on there, because you never need to undo
No.
the whole thing. But that would just mean you don't have to do as many buttonholes.
I absolutely thought
Yeah.
of this too late because when I was putting it on, I was like,
Oh,
I just
right.
need these few buttons.
Yeah.
I could have just stitched them down.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you're,
Yeah.
you know, little
Quick
tip
tip
there.
from the top there, yeah.
And actually, if you're feeling a little bit scared of some of the steps, which you shouldn't be, but if you need more help, Rosie has filmed a whole entire workshop on Stitchcore.
Yes.
And we'll tell you more about that as well later, maybe,
Yes.
because we should tell you that the best thing about Ruby, the Ruby skirt, is that it's a free pattern.
Free.
Free, completely free.
Completely
So
free.
all you need to do is sign up to our newsletter, and then you get the pattern for free. And then the Stitchcore workshop is free as well. We're feeling very generous today.
Well, we wanted to say, we basically, we feel like, I think we often give back in some way each year. So whether
we
it's
try.
we try with International Women's Day, we've done lots of free things before. Obviously last year we did Annie.
Yes.
And it's our way of saying thank you to you guys for supporting us. And yeah, we do, you know, it's a really nice thing to kind of be able to do that and have a business where we can afford to do that as
that's
well.
true.
And I think that's really a nice thing. So yeah.
And I think it's really nice to get it in February. When
Yes,
it's
yeah.
got a dreary month.
Exactly. I think everyone needs a little bit of a pick me up, and maybe you know you're saving pennies, counting pennies at the moment. We all are, and you've got stash. I think we've all got stash, haven't we?
Yeah.
So, but you don't want to splash out on a new pattern You don't have to.
You don't have to.
So if you're on the mailing list, you'll get this.
You'll
already.
get it anyway, yeah, if you've already signed up. But if not, you should sign up today. And you know, we put a lot of effort. I write the emails. I'm very proud of them. I put a lot of thought into them. And you know, we're not just telling you about obviously all of our new releases, all our offers, all our sales. You know, you get to hear about all of those things and stay kind of up to date with everything. So over it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you
But
don't miss out.
You don't miss out,
And
exactly.
it comes. I think everything that happens in the company comes out first through through the newsletter,
Yes.
not
Yeah.
social media.
Not socials,
So
yeah.
it was kind of used to do it because we were worried the site would break.
Yeah.
So we were like, we don't want to do everything at once. But now it's actually nothing to do with that. The site doesn't break.
No.
But it's more just that we want to. People that have signed up, we assume
Yeah,
that you guys
It's
are
the
the most
loyalty and
loyal customers, and so we feel like we should be telling you first.
Yes.
So, yeah.
And also you get a lot of inspiration, I think, when your Sojo is low. There's a lot of ideas of how to use patterns that you
Yeah.
already have,
Yeah.
how to, you know, switch up what you're making, switch into
Yeah.
a new season, all of those things. It's lots of inspiration.
And I also think, just in the interest of transparency, we do not email you every day.
No, no.
Alma has not got the time for that. It's once or twice a week, isn't
Yes,
it?
exactly.
So, yeah. So it's not like, unless there's some very, very special offer that is a different offer.
Which
every
you
day.
will want an email every
Yeah,
day, because
exactly.
you'll get an offer every day.
But it's generally, once or twice a week. So we're not going to fill up your inbox.
No, exactly. And so, yeah, once you sign up, you will get a welcome email with the unique downloadable link for the Ruby skirt. And if you're already part of our newsletter audience, then you will get the email anyway with the downloadable links, and then you can choose to get it printed, get the pattern printed with us with the copy shop option if you want, and then you can choose to follow the free workshop on Stitchcore, which is a great way to test out Stitchcore if you haven't tried it yet.
Definitely. I think it's so important to kind of, because I understand that subscriptions are a commitment.
Yeah.
But it's really good.
It's really, really
I mean,
good.
we are biased, but it's really
Obviously.
good. And you know, you'll now be able to see how good it is
Exactly.
for free.
That's it.
So,
And
yeah.
we filmed the class as if it was one of our regular Stitchcore classes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's nothing skimped on there because it's
No.
free. It's full
No.
in depth, every single step, just like you would get on the other Stitchcore classes.
Yeah.
And do you talk in the class, because I haven't seen it quite yet, do you talk about extra things like fabrics and things like that?
That's it. So we go through all the fabrics.
No, it's gone.
We go through your fabric choices, we go through a little bit about fitting,
Oh, as
about
well.
supplies, and we also point you to other areas on Stitchcore that might help if there's more sort of really in-depth details. Maybe you don't know where to start with supplies, so we can point
Yeah,
you
fair.
to a whole list of things and more resources for that. So yeah, there's lots of handy information in there for sure for getting you started if you're new to Stitchcore.
Brilliant. And I have to say, the pockets of the
I know,
ribbon
and
are perfect
naturally
for filming. Sometimes you don't know what to do with your hands.
And I have to say that you know,
Perfect time.
they are the
so
perfect
good.
height, but also I am not, as you know,
a pocket lover.
pocket lover unless it's an integrated part of the design and it feels like this doesn't just add practicality, but it adds interest.
Interest, yeah,
I
yeah,
feel
yeah.
like without them, I wouldn't like it as much.
No,
So
it makes it
they
more-
really do add something to it. They kind of make it a little bit more contemporary and
Yes,
also a bit more
that's true.
casual almost.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for sure.
I think so. Yeah.
And they're just patch pockets, so it's the easiest pocket to sew.
Yes.
If you're a
Yes.
beginner, it's
Yes.
a good one to
Exactly.
get going
Yeah.
with, basically. But yeah, we, as you can tell, are all very excited about the Ruby skirt. We're planning many for ourselves. And
You're going to do a sew along, aren't you?
yes, I am. So
Yes.
next week we'll tell you the exact date in the coming days, but I'll do a sew along. I think I'm going to use a cotton, so you get to see a different one as well. Just a softer, like a cotton poplin.
Yeah, I mean, obviously you're not going to finish the whole thing, so
No.
it's not you'd be like, why are you doing a sew along if you know?
There's the workshop.
But I think like we'll have a section, and our sew alongs are very different to our Stitch School.
Yes.
Stitch School is much more detailed. You've got 3 cameras, you can see a lot more. It's more kind of community focused,
yeah,
social,
social.
So and a
fun.
chat.
So
Yeah,
and a
it's-
chat,
yeah.
exactly. Yeah.
And you get to, you get our improvisational mind in action.
Yeah, and I think that's quite nice
Which is
because you
fun.
get to see actually because for all you know, we could, be editing everything and making it, it could be really hard, and you wouldn't know that in Stitch School, but
We're not.
we're not. And basically, you'll see that in the sew along.
Exactly. Yeah, I find it quite fun in sew-alongs when we get stuck on something, and you have to figure out how to fix it.
Yeah,
And
but I think
which
that's
is
also makes us, everyone, we've been sewing a long time, but we still make mistakes. I mean, I think
Completely.
I am the queen of making mistakes in sew-alongs.
But yeah, so join us for that. Go and download your Ruby skirt, get it printed with our copy shop service, and we've got lots of very nice fabrics as well. And something very exciting, in a few days there will be some kits as well. You are loving kits at the moment.
It's because you don't have to think, it's a
I know,
no-brainer,
it's
isn't it?
nice.
I think that's what's
It's
nice
really,
about it.
really handy to just get going with the sewing.
Yeah. So that will be with the pattern and fabric.
Printed pattern,
Printed pattern,
so already a great
yeah.
thing. Printed instructions,
Yeah.
there'll be the fabric, the buttons, the elastic,
And the interfacing.
and the interfacing as well. There's
So
a little bit of
literally-
interfacing, isn't there, along the button placket.
button bracket and in the
so it's
waistband.
going to have the
Yeah.
buttons as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm in a
Good.
dream.
I get really stalled with the buttons, and I kind of just want someone to make that
Yeah,
decision
to decide for
me.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've done it for you.
There you go. So yeah, lots of fun and excitement around the Ruby skirt, and we hope you love it as much as we do.
February fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
February fun.
February
Very
fun.
good.
Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.